How to use Ask Rufus on Amazon to validate product claiming before making a purchase. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up the Amazon application or open a website and then navigate to the page you're interested in. Inside here, you want to go ahead and simply tap on this Rufus AI section right over here. Rufus is Amazon's AI shopping assistant that can answer questions about product, help you make informed buying decisions. Inside here, you can simply enter a question related to a product. For example, if you're looking for a battery powered device, you could ask what is expected battery life of this product, or do customer reviews on product like battery life claims. Rufus will analyze product details, customer reviews, and other information to provide an answer. You can ask multiple questions to verify specification, feature, durability, compatibility, and other claims made in the listing. That's it. That is how you can use Ask Rufus on Amazon to validate product claims and shop with more confidence. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.